Hello dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am your maths teacher. So today we'll study from D1 Mathematics 7th edition, right? So we are on exercise 2C. So already we have done some of the concepts in exercise 2A and 2B. So today we'll try to solve some more concepts from exercise 2C. So here we have to find out the values of the given numbers, right? So here you can see first question is find the value 3 multiply minus 9 minus 27. So here you must know the four operations, that plus multiply plus is plus, plus multiply minus is minus, minus multiply plus is minus, and minus multiply minus is plus. So you must know all these before solving these questions. So 8 4s are 32 minus 32, 7 5s are 35, 6 1s are 6, minus minus plus 6, 7 2s are 14, minus minus plus, and 0 multiplies 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. You multiply any number with 0, the product is always 0. Then question number 2 is evaluate. Here the division method is given, so we have to solve according to the division method. 3 9s are 27, minus sign is there, minus 9, 7 3s are 21, 8 2s are 6, 2 4s are 8, right? Minus minus cancel, and 4 is the answer. 2 8s are 16, minus 16, 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7, 15 15 divided by 3 is equal to minus 5, and 18 minus 18 over minus 3 is equal to plus 6. Minus minus cancel. So then question number 3 is find the square root. So 81 is given, so we have to first write 81 under the square root, and then we'll take factors like this. You can take factors and then you write the factors instead of 81. The factors of 81 will be 3 multiply 3 multiply 3, and then you make pairs. After making pairs, you write one number, like 3 multiply 3 is there, and you write 3 one time, and 3 multiply 3 is there, you write without square root one time. So 3 3 9 is the square root of 81. Similarly 16 is given, we take factors and then we take common, and then 4 is the square root of 16. 25 is given, right? 25 factors and then 5 is the square root. 100 is given, 10 multiply 10 as the factors, so 10 is the square root, right? Then question number 4, evaluate 8 under root is given here, and then we take factors, and then this is the square solution of under root 8, right? So 4 under root 2 is there, minus 3 multiply 3 minus 3 is there, minus 36, 6 multiply 6, answer is 6, but this will be minus, so minus we always take positive square root only, so this is not applicable, right? Then question number 5 is there, minus 2 raised to power 3 is equal to, take write the 3 times 2, right? 1 2 3 times, so minus multiply minus multiply minus multiply minus is equal to plus, right? So then plus multiply minus is minus, so minus 8 will be there. So similarly minus 5 raised to power 3 is there, we write 5 3 times and then multiply them, and number and the this signs also, minus multiply minus plus, and plus multiply minus is equal to minus 125. So minus 10 raised to power 3 is there, minus 10 multiply minus 10 multiply minus 10, so 3 times it becomes 1000, and then minus sign will be there. So minus 6 multiply minus 6 multiply 3 times, then you multiply it to 6 is a 36, and 36 multiply 6, 6 6 is 36, 3 carry 6 3s are 18, plus 3 2 1, 216 minus 216 will be the answer. So now page 43, question number 6 of exercise 2C, right? Evaluate the following. So here Okay, question number 6, evaluate the following. So cube root is given here, 27 1 over 3. So 27 we take factors of 27, 3 multiply 3 and raised to power 1 over 3. So we take the power of 3 raised to power 3, 1 over 3, we cancel this, and then answer is 3. Similarly, minus 3 under root 64, so cube root of 64 is minus 1 over 3, and then 4 multiply 4 factors of 64, right? 4 raised to power 3 minus 3, we cancel this and we get minus 1 raised to power, right? So we change this minus power into 1 over 4. Then 3 under root 8, right? So this is again we have taken cube root, and then answer is 2. So 3 under root minus 216 raised to power 1 over 3, removing this sign of square root. So factors of 216 are 6 multiply 6 multiply 6. 6 raised to power 3 cancel, and minus 6 is the answer, right? Then question number 7 is there. So question number 7, here you can see find the value. So different operations are given here: multiplication, minus, subtraction, addition and division. So we have to solve this. So I have done this few parts for you, so you can see that. So question number 7, find the value, right? So minus 55 plus bracket parenthesis minus 10 is given. So we solve this bracket first. So minus plus minus is equal to minus. So then we add this and the answer is 75, minus 75. B part minus 12 minus square bracket is given, parenthesis is given. Then we solve parenthesis first, and then we add or subtract them. Minus 8 as it is, minus minus plus 2. So minus 8 plus 2 is minus 6, right? Square bracket is there, and then we remove the square bracket, minus minus plus, solving these operations, subtraction operation. So minus 12 plus 6 plus 3, right? Adding these two addition numbers. So minus plus is 9, 6 plus 3 9. So minus 12 plus 9 is equal to minus 3, right? So minus 3 is the answer. Then C part I have done this minus 100 plus parenthesis bracket is given, and then you simply solve the bracket first and then you add or subtract them, and answer will be minus 130. So G part I have done this for you. 3 multiply minus 3 raised to power 2 minus 7 parenthesis bracket is there, 7 minus 2 whole square, right? So here 3 is a 9 minus 7 minus 2 5 has a 25. 27 minus 25 is equal to 2 is the answer, right? So here then I part I have done this for you. Minus 12 divided by 2, square bracket is there, 2 raised to power 2 minus 2, and then parenthesis is there, and then square bracket. So 12 divided by minus minus plus 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 2 6, and 6 divided by 12, his answer is minus 2. Then J part I have done this for you. Under root is given 10 minus 3 multiply minus 2. So minus minus plus, 3 2s are 6, 10 plus 16, and square root is 4, right? Then question number 8 is there. 8 question number, use calculator to check the answers for question number 7. So this question number 7 you can do with the help of calculator also if you want, but I have done all the calculations, so you can use calculator also. Then question number 9 is there. Question number 9, this is question number 9, right? Page 43, question number 9 is there. So we have to find out the values. This is question number 9, find the values. So different operations are given, so brackets are given, so we have to solve. So I have done few parts from question number 9 also. That is 24 multiply minus 2 bracket close multiply 5 divided by minus 6. So you solve this bracket first, right? Division first here. So we remove the bracket and we put sign here. So then multiply all these three numbers. 24 multiplied 2 multiplied 5, it comes to 240 and divided by 6. So you get 40 answer. So D part is there. 160 divided by minus 40 minus 20 divided by, so you break them into two parts and then you solve it, you get answer is 0, right? Then H part, I have done this for you. H part, so minus 10, right? So you can see this 3 raised to power 3 is there, and then we solve the parenthesis first. 3 3s are 9, right? So then we solve this square bracket, and then in the end we solve the curly bracket, right? So answer is 1 whole 1 over 3. So this is up to question number 9. So question number 10 is same question number 9. You have to check with the help of calculator solving these questions. So option is there that you can use calculator also. So I have done few parts, the rest of the parts you can practice. If you find any difficulty, you can contact me. Thank you very much.